Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me HP Smart Tank 615, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable low power mode or power saving mode or sleep mode, so we can call it in the way you want, on this printer. So to do it, first thing to open the setup, then scroll down and then hit power management, and here click sleep mode and scroll down and enable after 5 minutes, after 10 or after 15. Unfortunately we can't set up, for example, after 30 minutes or after 1 minute, so I want to use, for example, after 10 minutes. And we can schedule the printer turn on or turn off. So we can schedule on, for example, you have both this device for your office and you are starting work, you're starting your work day at 7 o'clock, for example, and you can enable your printer automatically. You can set up the printer automatically enabling on 6 a.m. for example, or 7 a.m. So it's very good idea to set it up in your way. Okay, so you need to obtain your plans and set it up. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.